So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, if you already signed up for Uber and you forgot to use a referral code, you didn't know anybody, or you didn't watch our videos, and if you already signed up for Uber, maybe you just signed up, or maybe you signed up a while ago and you never did use a referral code, you can still get your bonus. You can still get your referral bonus. I know a lot of people don't know that, or when I tell them, they're like, wow, then I had no idea. And right now, guys, because of everything that's going on, it is better time than ever to sign up or to apply the referral code. It literally is 8 steps. The instructions are down below. It's super easy. We don't need any of your info. You just apply our info. Again, it's super easy. This is the Rideshare Hub. Take advantage of this. It could be $1,000, could be $1,500. It might only be $100, but still, I could use that money right now, and I'm sure you can too. So go ahead. It's the sign up bonus for Uber. The instructions are down below. It's super easy, super simple. Okay, I just wanted to tell you guys. Now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan, and thank you so much for coming by. This is a really difficult video for me to make. This is really sad, and honestly, this is no time to joke around. This is the Rideshare Hub. I'm super passionate about Uber and Lyft driving. I'm even wearing my own Rideshare Hub merch t-shirt, which is on sale down below. No, but seriously, I mean, I literally have been dedicating the last year of my life to being an Uber driver, a Lyft driver. And what's going on now? I have decided after much thought to stop driving, at least until this whole thing is over with, which I will be getting into the details about that and when it's ending for Uber and Lyft drivers. And trust me, I cannot wait until the day where I make a video saying that I'm back online. Currently, I'm offline, both Uber and Lyft. I'm an active driver for both accounts, even though some people think that I'm not, but that's just a whole nother story, which I really don't even care about. And yeah, I mean, I'm gonna tell you the reasons why. This is not a detailed list. I mean, I have thought about this over and over, so it's gonna be really easy for me to talk about, but it's not gonna be a detailed video. Sorry, there's somebody walking by. A detailed video like in the past. Well, like a structure. I'm not going 10 reasons why I'm quitting. The reasons why I'm quitting, sorry, hold on. The reasons why I'm quitting are as follows. Number one, I don't want to get sick. I don't want to get sick yet, because I've talked to many medical professionals, and basically all of them are saying that we're all going to get pretty much sick at some point, even though we might not all experience it the same way, nor really be infected. I mean, I could potentially even have it right now. I can't say that word because YouTube's demonetizing all videos that are about that, and they have really good voice to text software. So, but you guys know what I'm talking about. If you don't, have you been living under a rock? I mean, come on. Sorry. So we could have it, but again, I don't want to overload the healthcare system, which is really our main priority. If you turn on the news and listen to medical professionals, that's what they're saying. They're saying it is a big deal and you should be overreacting. If you're overreacting, you're probably doing something right. What you should be doing is staying indoors, not going to gatherings, because when you're going to gatherings, you're passing along this disease, and when you pass it to people, it spreads rapidly. Even though you might not feel like you won't be affected, you probably will eventually. So for the sake of other people, I'm not. Number two, I have savings right now. I don't need to go out and drive Uber and Lyft. Sure, I would love the extra money, which is why I always plug the referral code, you know. That's what we do here. We teach people how to make money. So why wouldn't you go ahead and, you know, if you forgot to use a referral code, why would you not apply it? I mean, that's just free money waiting for you. It's a bonus for new drivers. That's Uber and Lyft has allocated a big fund to get new drivers, and especially right now, the bonus is bigger than ever. most likely. It's probably not going to go any higher than it currently is. Why? Because they need new drivers. So yeah, that's number 2, is I have savings. I just have saved up a lot of money and for things like this. And this is the first time ever in my life that I have had a large savings. Well, a big enough savings that I could, you know, not have to work for a while. In the past, I've always had no savings. I've had credit card debt, car debt. I had this car I currently own. I haven't made any payments on this thing, and because I paid it off driving rideshare, you know? That's the whole point of this, right? The number, and then the credit card debts. I have no more credit cards. I have no more credit card debt. I don't even use credit cards yet. I decided not to, just because I was a bad boy. Daddy was a bad boy with credit cards, so he decided to cut them up and not use them for a while. So I'm in credit card timeout. I have 0 credit cards. And yeah, that's a whole nother story, which I'll get into in another video. Number 3, the apps. This is the main reason. I could break this up into like 10 different reasons, but mostly earnings are really low. Well, I'll do 2 more reasons. So number 3, I guess, is that earnings are low. Oh, there's hardly any riders out right now getting rides, because universities are closed, workplaces are closed, non-essential retail stores are closed, gyms are closed, theaters are closed, arcades are closed, bars are closed, nightclubs are closed. Literally anywhere that somebody would really typically need to take a ride to is closed. Like, there's not that many riders out. The only riders out are people going to the doctor, people going to the hospital. Do you really want to, you know, do I want to dedicate the next 6 months of my life to driving around sick people? That's not what I signed up for. And the last reason why is because there are going to be a big influx of new drivers in the coming months. You heard it here first, guys. There are going to be tons, thousands and thousands and thousands of new people applying to drive for Uber and Lyft. Why? Think about all the places that are closed. Restaurants are closed. I already talked about that. Just people are in quarantine mode right now. People aren't going out and getting their hair styled. People aren't going out and dyeing their hair. People aren't going out and shooting their movie. People aren't going out and hiring video edit or hiring a photographer to take their wedding pictures. Well, maybe they are a little bit, but like for the most part, people are indoors. People are not spending money. So all these hourly workers, boom, they're all just signing up for Uber and Lyft. And I already talked about before how there's not going to be that many riders. Well, now the demand for riders is going to be pretty low, but the supply of drivers is going to be huge. So even if I did stay a driver, I would only be making $10, $20 an hour at most before expenses, which comes out to anywhere between $5 to $15 an hour. And I could spend my time much better doing something else. And again, that $5 to $15 per hour, you're really looking at transporting mostly sick people, mostly people who are gonna get you sick, who are going to the doctor. And slowly as workplaces start to open up in the next couple months, I really think places are gonna be closed for like 2-3 months at least. Like, restaurants are gonna be like, I seriously think you're not gonna sit in a restaurant for another 3 months. That's how serious I think this is. I don't think you're gonna eat out for 3 months. You're gonna get food delivered, sure, maybe do pickup, but no one's gonna sit inside a nightclub or a bar or a restaurant in the United States for 3 months. I'm serious. So, yeah. So what does that mean for drivers who maybe you're in my position, or maybe you're in my position but you don't have any savings that you need to make money to pay your bills? What do? Sign up for gig apps, other gig apps. If you're already an Uber driver, start doing Uber Eats. Uber just announced that they're waiving delivery fees from over 100,000 restaurants. So what does that mean? You're gonna have a huge influx of new of orders. Uber Eats is about to get hit hard, and I mean hard. If you ever wanted to make money doing food delivery, now is the time. That's how you're gonna get through this. we have a plan. That's how you're gonna get through this. Doing food delivery. I know it sucks and you don't want to hear that from me right now, but that's the reality. You're gonna go out and deliver food for 3 to 4 months, and then you can go back to doing Uber driving again. Driving around passengers, if you want. You can sign up for DoorDash as well. I would stay away from Instacart, honestly, just my personal opinion, because grocery stores, as you guys know, are sold out of a lot of things, and Instacart, I cannot imagine waiting in line at a grocery store for an hour, picking up food, picking up groceries, and half of them aren't even available. Most of them probably wouldn't even be available. And then having to go drive that to, it just doesn't sound fun. Or efficient, time efficient, because time is money, time is cash, baby. I say that time and time again. So we're talking about Uber Eats, DoorDash, Postmates, Caviar, and Grubhub. Those apps are the ones you're gonna focus on right now for the coming months. Another thing you can do is start up a YouTube channel. Start up a YouTube channel. Use a, I don't want to call them clickbait, but use a catchy title and a thumbnail and say, I made this much money driving DoorDash in a day, in 8 hours. I drove DoorDash for 10 hours and I made X amount of money. People will click on that, guys. Like, come on, this is 2020. It's so easy to make money right now. And how do you make money that? People watching ads. The ads on these videos, that's how I make money. Well, that's not the only reason why, but it's one of the ways I make money. So there you have it, guys. That's why I'm quitting, and I just also wanted to give you guys some tips and info as well. But I will keep you guys updated. So make sure you are subscribed. If you're watching the videos and you're not subscribed, just click the subscribe button. It helps me out a lot. And I'll be making videos soon, so don't worry. And yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you all for watching. Bye.